everyone. Today I am going to be doing a cooking video, but it's going to be a little bit different. Today is my dog, Buddy. It's his birthday today and he's 6 years old. Now we've had him since he was 2, so we've had him for 4 years, and I wanted to make today a special day for him. So today I'm going to be making a doggy birthday cake. To make this doggy birthday cake, we're going to need 1 egg, 1/4 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/3 cup honey, and this is optional, 1 cup shredded carrots, 1 cup flour, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. And then for your special dog's special day, go ahead and put some kind of garnishment on top of the cake. This is just a frosted covered dog biscuit. Now all of these ingredients are safe for the dogs to eat. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is preheat the oven to 350. So first you want to go ahead and spray your bundt cake pan. And you want to make sure you get in all the crevices. And what I like to do is take a paper towel and then just wipe it into all the crevices. That way the cooking spray gets everywhere and it's less likely to stick. Once that's done, set that aside. Next you want to get a large bowl and you want to add the egg, the peanut butter, that's 1 egg and 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Then you want to add the 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of honey. That was vanilla, not the honey. But if you're going to be using the honey, 1/3 cup of honey. I don't know about you, but I remember when I was a kid, we used to have peanut butter and honey sandwiches. So this kind of reminds me of that right now. And then you want to take your sifter, dump in your flour and your baking soda, and sift it into the bowl. And then go ahead and mix that in. And then add your 1 cup of shredded carrots and mix that until it's all thoroughly mixed. And I actually did that backwards. I was supposed to put the carrots in first and then the flour, but I've always been known to be backwards. All right, so there you have it. All right, change of plan. My bundt cake pan looked way too big compared to the amount of batter that I have. So I'm going to ahead and just get a smaller cake pan and then go ahead and spray it. And we'll go ahead and dump that in this, we'll go ahead and dump that in this smaller cake pan. I'm afraid it would burn if I put it in that big one. And then go ahead and just spread it out. And then we want to go ahead and put it in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. I'm going to actually set the timer for 35 and check on it then. Okay, so it had cooked in the oven for 34 minutes. I probably could have cooked it for a little bit less, being as it was in a smaller pan. But what you want to go ahead and do is normally you would check it with, of course, the toothpick. This is more like a cookie, and the toothpick came out clean. But you want to go ahead and go around the sides so it don't stick to the pan, and I can already tell it's not sticking to the pan. We'll go ahead and let it cool for 10 minutes, and then we will flip it out of the pan and let it cool for the rest of the way. All right, so here is the doggy birthday cake. We'll go ahead and get it cut up and put on a dish and get a taste test done. All right, so here is Buddy's birthday cake. We'll see how well he likes it. Okay, so Dave is going to bring over his birthday cake and see how well Buddy likes it.
Buddy, it's for you. It's your birthday cake. Here. There you go. Get it easier. Here. This looks good. I think I should have a piece. Here, there you go.
All right, so Dave decided he wanted to try Buddy's birthday cake as well. Like I said earlier, it is good for humans as well. It's got all food in that people can eat as well.
Smells good. Huh. It's actually pretty good. It's a little bit dry, but trying to place what it tastes like, I can't really do that, but I think I'm gonna have a little dab of ice cream on top of this. This is actually pretty good.
Well, there you have it, folks. Dave's eating dog food.
What can I say? It's pretty good stuff.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.